Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, December 4th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Interesting day today as we attempt to go trend down, only to take back the trend. And even though we had lower value in NQ and overlapping lower all day in ES, and our indices were down, we go out with a price probe to the upside, and we raise POC. So the bull isn't dead yet. Now, I am calling NQ's weekly and daily down for now. Okay? ES, which I thought had a good chance to maybe get last week's low, did not. So the daily's in balance in ES, and the weekly is still up. So that's pretty impressive. They did a lot of volume in like a 3-point area. Market couldn't get going. But in the bigger picture, the weekly is still very healthy. Righty. Remember, Righty's volume on Friday was very, very impressive. Today, they go out with an afternoon pullback in J low for us, ES and NQ. We all probe, but we didn't probe enough where I would use the previous high before we probed in H and Righty and A period for us and NQ. I wouldn't use that because we didn't get far enough away from it. Now, IWM volume today so far is 43 million. They average in 30.5 million. So 2 days in a row now, I mean, it's nowhere near Friday's volume, but it's still pretty impressive. So somebody is buying this IWM and Righty as they're trying to push higher finally, once they got above that 200-day moving average. Okay? Had a good day today. The entire day for me was shorts, except for one long in NQ and J period, where I basically nailed the lows. I bought at 99. I think the low was 95 or 96. So other than that, I was looking for shorts. Did not do much, though, in the afternoon. The morning was when I was getting paid. There was a very nice ebb and flow to the short side. You had value indices, overnight low, IB low, POC being lowered at the time, although POC got raised later in the day. That was just making it more comfortable and more accommodating to short. And that's what I did. I shorted NQ in A period to get the overnight low. That worked. I shorted ES in A period when I got up to value low. That one worked. Then in B period, just started shorting NQ below the opening. Each time it pushed down, took it off, came back up, put it back on, did that a lot. C period, shorted NQ and ES because we were trend down with single prints in B. So that continued. Now I also shorted NQ in D and E, even though we stopped the one-time framing. Now I made some money on it, but like I told the room, things were changing. So I lowered my size and my expectations. Okay? And, on the good pushes down, I was doing 2 and 3 lots and getting 10 points out of some of them. When in D and E, when they started going up, I was doing 1 lots and taking 5 points out of them because you can tell something had changed. But they still paid me. I did take a short in NQ also in F period, thinking it could be the afternoon rally high, got paid. And then in G against the opening, which paid me. And then in J period, I took the long when it pushed back. I bought it again at 99. I think we got down at 96 or 95, and that worked out very nicely also. I didn't take the long in ES down here because at the time I was looking for it. This is value low now, but I was looking for it to push back a bit more, and it never did. So that's why I never took it. It never pulled back far enough away from the POC for me. So that's why I didn't want to take the long in ES. But a really good day overall. Good start to the week. As far as destinations, today's upside in SPY is 456.94. Today's downside is 10 wide, 458.84. Afternoon pullback low in J at 455.50, and today's low 454.36. It's a little weird when I told the room when we were rallying in F and G, I'm like, there's a possibility if we take out G's low to look for an afternoon pullback. But with everything that was going on, more MGI in favor of the Bears, I was not really looking for that, to be honest. But we did get it. NES upside is 79. 75, today's high. And the downside is 68 and a quarter, 10 wide. 65 is our afternoon pullback low, and 53.50 is today's low. And then on the charts, so here is the weekly, right? It's an inside week after 1 day, obviously. So it's still up, one time framing up 5 weeks coming into this week. Okay, the daily, they had a bad, yeah, I got to change that. I don't know, they have the daily at 459.12. Today's high is 456.94. So once this video is over, I'm going to change the daily. It shows it on the weekly also, I think. No, it doesn't. Not showing. They're not even showing the right high on the weekly. So I'll see. But the daily I'll change after we get off the mic. So the daily is balanced. Right now it's an 8-day balance. I would use Thursday's low as the bottom of it in ES and Friday's high as the top of it. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.